Which of the following is not a Java logical operator? Option A, AND operator. Option B, OR operator. Option C, NOT operator. Option D, AND operator. Okay, let's discuss all these options one by one. But before that, just let me tell you how many total logical operators we have in Java. In Java, there are three primary logical operators. First one is a logical AND operator. Second one is a logical OR operator. Third one is a logical NOT operator. Okay, let me write here. We are discussing about Java logical operator. In Java, there are three primary logical operators. There are three primary logical operators. First one is logical AND operator, and the symbol is this. Logical. Second one is logical OR operator, and the symbol is this. And third one is logical NOT operator. These operators are used to perform logical operations on Boolean values. For example, but before example, just let me tell you, these all are the total number of logical operators which we have in Java. This is what the total in Java. Yes, okay, let's discuss first one, that is logical AND operator. Okay, let's discuss about the logical AND operator. Let's imagine we have a simple game with switches and lights. We have a game in that we have switches and lights, just for understanding. So in that just let me tell you how you can use logical AND operator. Imagine you have two switches. Imagine in logical AND you have two switches, switch capital A and switch capital B. The light will only turn on if both switch A and switch B are turned on. But if the condition is different, like first switch is on and second switch is off, so what would be the output? Like what would be the result if one is on and other is off? So the light will be off because both switch are not on. To turn light on, we need to have this switch to be on so that we get the on condition, but for this condition we get off. Yes, okay, now we got it. Yes, okay, let me tell you the conditions, but before that just let me tell you what is the logical AND operators exactly. For logical AND, both conditions must be true for the result to be true. Yes, okay, let me just tell you the truth table so that whenever you get this type of question, just see the table and you will easily get the result. Okay, let me create a one table, and here we have condition A, here we have condition B. Let me write it on. This is what the condition capital A, and this is what the condition capital B, and in the last we have the result, that is A logical AND operator B. Okay, let me just tell you, if the first condition A is true and second condition B is true, result will be true. But if first condition, that is condition A, is true and the second condition, that is B, is false, the result you will get, that is false. If first condition A is false and condition B, that is true, you will get the result as false, because For logical and, both conditions must be true, because logical and both conditions must be true for result to be true. Okay, let me take the last one, that is last combination. If condition A is false and condition B is false, result will be false. So in that we have only one combination, that is true. When both the conditions, condition A and condition B would be true, so the result will be true. Okay, so further, like maybe while understanding this question will come in your mind, like how you can use this and logical and operator in our Java programs, in Java code. Just let me write one more example so that it would be easy to use this in your Java programs. Okay, let me tell you. For example, boolean switch A is equal to true, boolean switch A is equal to true, and boolean switch B is equal to false. Boolean result is equal to switch A and operator switch B. And one thing you can note here, like the result will also be boolean type. We want to know the result value after using the logical AND operator. So after using the AND operator, just let me explain you. Like boolean switch A is equal to true, it means that switch A is on, and boolean switch B is equal to false, it means that switch B is off. And the third one, that is boolean result switch A, logical operator switch B, it means that in the result you will get the false value. Why false value? Okay, let's see. In the truth table we have seen only one possible combination is this. Like first one, like both the conditions is true, so result is true. For all the remaining combinations we will get the result as false, so that is why we are getting false as the result. And this is the way which we can use to write in our code whenever required. Okay, now we know that what is means of logical AND operator. Okay, let me tell you what is means of logical OR operator.